Hi everybody, today we'll be learning how to install MetaMask and create an account. First, go to metamask.io. Once you're there, you'll see download for, and then it should show your specific browser, in this case Brave. Click download for Brave. This will take you to the Chrome web store where you can add extensions to your browser. Click add to Brave, or add to whatever browser you are using. Click add extension. You've successfully installed MetaMask into your browser. Now let's create a new wallet. Click Create New Wallet. Click I agree or no thanks, whatever you would like. In this case, we'll click no thanks. Now you create your password. Once you've selected your password, check I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me, and click Create New Wallet. Now, before we go any further, there's a short video explaining the secret recovery phrase that you'll use to keep your wallet safe. Do not give this security phrase to anyone. Next, click Secure My Wallet. Next, we'll learn our secret recovery phrase. Write down this 12-word phrase and keep it in a secure and safe location. When you're ready to reveal it, click Reveal. Now here is your 12-word phrase. We're going to write this down before moving to the next step. Make sure you write them in the proper order. Once they are written down, click Next. Here, you will fill in the blanks to confirm your secret recovery phrase. Once you've filled in the blanks, click Confirm. Wallet creation is successful. Click Got it. Your MetaMask install is complete. Now you can pin MetaMask to your browser so it is accessible and easy to view. In order to do that, click the little puzzle icon in the corner of the screen. These are your extensions. This will show MetaMask, and click the pin. And now you will see the MetaMask box in the corner next to the puzzle piece. And there you have it. You've created your wallet.